If you are an international student studying in the US or Canada and you are navigating the challenges of school, work, bills, and the pressures of immigration without losing your sanity, pay close attention. The students who exhibit calmness are not necessarily more intelligent. They are simply utilizing superior tools that is giving them the mental stability they need. Today, here are 5 AI tools that every international student ought to consider having. With these tools, your mental sanity is certain. It is mandatory and essential for you to use as a tool to ease up the stress of migration. I'll demonstrate precisely what they do, explain their significance, and illustrate how you can incorporate them into your daily routine. Now let us commence. First and foremost, ChatGPT. This serves as your academic emergency contact. Using ChatGPT, you are able to simplify intricate subjects into clear and understandable descriptions, summarize lecture notes, create practice questions prior to exams, clarify ambiguous sections. Get ready for interviews. Generate concepts for assignments. The significance of this issue is paramount. At times, professors instruct at the introductory level. You remain at level 50. Ha 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 ha. Isn't it funny? Of course it is. You are feeling quite fatigued as well. Rather than going over a chapter multiple times, you insert it into ChatGPT and state, break this down for me quickly and simply. Daily navigation. Utilize it following each lecture. Please share your notes. Request a summary in bullet points. Request 3 probable exam questions from it. Utilize it for composing emails to professors. Do not engage in cheating. However, to contemplate more effectively, that is the first tool. Second point, Grammarly. Immigration has already formed its assessment of you. May grammar keep them apart. Using Grammarly, you are able to correct spelling and grammar errors immediately, enhance the clarity of sentences, modify tone for formal correspondence, enhance essays, improve scholarship application quality, compose assertive emails to instructors and potential employers. The significance of this issue is paramount. Being an international student, the way you express yourself is the standard by which others evaluate you. An effectively crafted email can open opportunities. A refined one reveals them. Daily navigation. Please proceed to install the browser extension. Activate it for Gmail, Google, Docs, LinkedIn, school portals prior to submitting any assignment. Pass it through Grammarly. Prior to dispatching any important email, please take a moment to review it. Minor adjustments, significant distinction. Thirdly, Notion AI. This serves as your secondary mind. Notion AI allows you to. All your courses can be organized in a single dashboard. Automatically generate weekly study schedules. Monitor tasks and due dates. Plan part-time work hours. Establish academic and financial objectives. Create summaries within your notes. The significance of this issue. Being an international student encompasses much more than just academics. It is educational institution, engagement, invoices, deadlines for immigration. Neglecting a deadline can lead to significant costs. Daily navigation. Establish a single workspace, 1 page for each course, a single page dedicated to immigration documents, a single page dedicated to finances. Each Sunday evening, inquire with Notion AI and say, please develop a study plan that aligns with my deadlines for this week. Allow organization to alleviate your anxiety. Next is Otter.ai lectures progress quickly. At times, accents can shift more rapidly. Using Otter, you are able to record lectures asterisk, obtain live transcription bullet, emphasize key aspects asterisk, look for keywords within the transcript asterisk. Later, review the clean notes. The significance of this issue. When you translate in your mind, you are lacking some information. Rather than succumbing to panic and producing disorganized notes, you concentrate on hearing. Daily navigation. Prior to the start of class, launch Otter. Begin the recording process. Following the conclusion of class, please review the transcript. Emphasize important aspects. Transform those highlights into concise study summaries. Ensure that recording is permitted in your institution. We should avoid unnecessary immigration complications. Number 5 is Canva equipped with AI capabilities. International students engage in much more than just their studies. We work diligently. Canva allows you to craft polished resumes, create presentation slides, create YouTube thumbnails, modify passport photographs, create engaging social media posts, create straightforward graphics for side hustles. The significance of this issue is paramount. Additional income is important. The way something is presented is important. The way you present yourself can significantly influence the opportunities that come your way. Daily navigation. Utilize resume templates. Utilize AI-generated text recommendations for crafting LinkedIn bios. Utilize presentation templates for class projects. Utilize it to establish your side hustle with clarity and precision. Be efficient in your efforts, not merely difficult. Please pay close attention. AI cannot complete your degree on your behalf. Your tuition will not be covered by it. It will not alleviate homesickness. However, it will decrease resistance. As friction diminishes, improvements in performance. The life of an international student presents its own set of challenges. Struggling without purpose yields no reward. Utilize instruments. Remain alert. Maintain organization. Ensure that the system operates in your favor. Do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that we can grow a community where everyone will live his dream. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.